If you're interested in making this project, I have a free set of plans down in the description. And if you're interested in getting started in woodworking and don't know where to begin, I have a free guide showing you how you can get all the tools you need to get started for less than $1,000. Head over to mytoollist.com and download it today. I'm going to make this project using MDF. I like to use MDF on projects that are going to be painted because the paint just goes on so easily. The biggest problem with MDF is that it makes the dust fly, you might say. And so that's why I'm out here with this dramatic lighting so that I can have plenty of airflow. Of course, I'll also hook my vacuum up to it to extract as much of that dust as possible. I can line up these pieces of this template using my window. I can attach this template to the MDF using spray adhesive. I'm going to use an awl to punch a divot where each of these nails is going to go. The last time I made a Plinko game, I drove nails directly into this paper template. The problem I discovered with that is it pushed little bits of paper into those holes and it was kind of hard to get them out. I don't have any 1/4" MDF, but I do have some pieces of 1/4" masonite or hardboard. I think I can use these, they'll work just the same. The only problem is I don't have any pieces that are long enough for these kind of scalloped strips. So what I can do is just glue these together on their edges. It doesn't need a lot of strength because they're going to be glued flat on top of the base. While I'm at it, I'm going to glue these two 1/2" pieces together. There's two little curved pieces that need to be 1 inch thick. Now to see if I can peel these two pieces apart without breaking it. It's always a little tricky using that carpet tape because it grabs so strongly. I'm using 1/8" plywood for the lower dividers. I cut a bunch of these little pieces. These are going to be removable, just different colors to arrange however you want. And to kind of, just to hold them in a little bit, I've made this little fence that I can glue onto the front. I picked up some of these furniture nails. I thought they might be interesting to try. Obviously the heads need to be below the plexiglass that I'm going to install here, so they only need a small clearance for these washers to slide down. You can cut plexiglass or acrylic on a table saw using just a regular saw blade. It looks like I've got a bit of a problem here. I taped on this piece of plexiglass just to finally test this out, and I think those furniture nails aren't going to work because, watch what happens. That time it worked. Sometimes, there, it gets stuck. What's happening is this washer is actually sliding over that rounded head of the nail. I was kind of worried that that might happen. So what I gotta do is replace these with just a pin nail or a brad nail. It's too bad because I think that looks really cool. I think I can attach this plexiglass now. I'm going to tape it in place and drill some holes and just attach it with a few screws. I wanted this to be kind of an open-ended game that kids could play with however they want. So my thought is that you would drop in these colored pieces in whatever configuration you wanted, and then you could take these colored washers and then just try to maybe see where they would land.